For today's video, we're going to talk about home-based jobs opportunity with 24/7 VA, isang virtual assistant agency na perfect para sa mga beginners na gustong mag-work from home without the headache of finding clients themselves. Kasi ramdam ko ang hirap maghanap ng clients, lalo na sa panahon ngayon na parang kabuti ng tumubo ang mga VAs saan man panig ng mundo. At sa dami na nag-a-apply sa job post, minsan natatabunan na yung mga application natin at hindi man lang nababasa. Or maybe you're dealing with those sketchy job posts na scam pala. 24/7 VA fixes that problem by matching you directly sa legitimate clients na kailangan ng skills mo. I actually interviewed them dito sa ating vlog para makuha yung real process at I'm going to share exactly kung ano yung kailangan ng mga beginners para ma-hire ng mabilis. You learn how to pass their assessments, nail the interview, at land yung first role mo without chasing clients or dealing with bidding wars. Pero bago ang lahat ng yarn, huwag kalimutang mag-comment para magkaroon ka ng entry sa ating 1,000 pesos GCash raffle. Gaya na lang ni Sir Tips Kalusugan 8010. So please don't forget to comment po para magkaroon kayo ng raffle entry. At sa mapipiling winner, mag-comment din po kayo na nanalo kayo at kayo yon para at least mabigay ko po yung premyo nyo or email me directly. Salamat po. Why 24/7 VA over freelance marketplaces? So let's get this straight. Kung nag-try ka na sa mga freelance platforms like Upwork, you know your pain. You are competing with hundreds of other applicants, dealing with clients na gusto ng mga free trials. At half the time, hindi mo sure kung legitimate ba yung mga job posting o hindi. 24/7 VA solves all of that. They find the clients for you para makapag-focus ka lang sa building your skills at delivering great work. No more bidding wars, no more unpaid test projects, at definitely no more wondering kung mas-scam ka ba or hindi. Here's how their system works. They use a tier system na nag-set up hourly rate based sa skills mo at performance. Higher tier means better pay at faster placement with premium clients. It's that simple. Yung mga roles na actively nila hinahanap, perfect for beginners. They actually hire general VA work, operation support VA, executive VA support, social media management, cold calling, real estate VA, at marami pang iba. These are all skills you can learn at ma-prove without years of experience. The application pipeline from quiz to tier level. So here's exactly how to apply at ano yung kailangan mo to prepare. First, check kung eligible ka ba by location. They hire VAs from countries where English is widely spoken at reliable internet is accessible. Yung bulk ng VAs nila are from the Philippines, pero they also accept applications from Southeast Asia, India, Eastern Europe, South Africa, Latin America, at selected US territories. You have two application options. Option 1 is yung general application form na mag-qualify sa'yo for their talent community. Option 2 is yung fast track route through their current job openings. Kung match ka sa specific job description, your application gets fast track at immediately endorse ka sa client after passing their initial assessment. Here's their exact step-by-step process. First, submit your application form and requirements. Next comes your initial interview via video call. Then your one-on-one assessment with their subject matter expert kung saan they're going to check your computer systems, software, at internet connection. After that, you have your final interview via video call. So kung pass ka sa lahat, they endorse you to clients. Your regular application takes about 2 to 3 weeks depende on how quickly mo submit yung requirements. Once approved ka, you join their VA talent community at maghihintay ka for client matching. Now, here's most people mess up sa skill section. Kung nag-a-apply ka as a general VA, list mo yung Gmail, Google Sheets, at Google Calendar. For executive VA, you focus on calendar management at email marketing systems or CRM systems. Social media people need Canva at Meta Business Suite at kung ano pang mga social media platforms ang prefer ni clients. Cold callers should know dialers at CRM systems. And web designers need WordPress at Shopify experience. For your portfolio, create 3 samples for your chosen role. These can be documents, screenshots, or mock tasks na magpapakita na you understand yung work. Upload mo sa Google Drive at ilink mo sa profile mo. Your resume needs to pass their filters. Use result-focused bullets. Mention specific tools at include metrics when possible. Remove generic job duties na hindi nagpapakita ng real value. Yung assessment cover typing speed, grammar at situational tasks. Practice with free online tests before ka mag-apply. For the interview, prepare STAR method answers. That situation, task, action, and result. Have samples ready na magpapakita na organized ka and can manage time at may backup plan for internet issues. Getting match and hard, beginner strategy that works. Once you're in their talent community, here's how client matching works. When a client comes in with job requests, they check their VA pool para makita kung sino yung qualified. Kung match ka, you get a client endorsement email with job description, task list, shift preference, at other details. You need to click yung job-specific application form link at submit your letter of intent or cover letter at updated resume. Kung like ka ng client, they set up interview between you and the client. On the average, VAs get matched to a client within 1 month from joining their VA pool. For work schedules, pwede mo sabihin yung preference mo, pero yung client ultimately determines your schedule. Most clients prefer na mag-start ka sa fixed schedule first, and once makuha mo na yung hang ng task, doon ka na pwedeng mag-request to switch flexible schedule. Pero any schedule changes needs client approval. When you get a client brief, mirror their needs sa response mo. Propose a simple 30, 60, 90-day plan in 3 bullets. This shows na you understand their goals at nag-iisip strategically. During short trials, confirm yung scope upfront at deliver early at summarize your results with suggested next step. This proves na kaya mo mag-manage ng projects independently. Set up a communication system from day 1. Daily check-ins, task tracker using Sheets or Notion para may summaries ka to keep everyone aligned. Quick start checklist plus next steps. So lock this in with actions na pwede mo gawin today. First, take yung readiness quiz nila at confirm na yung system specs mo meets their minimum requirements. Build a focused resume with results at specific tools and remove flop na walang value. Create 3 samples for your chosen role at upload mo sa Google Drive with proper sharing settings. Complete your profile with clear availability at backup internet plan mo. Practice yung assessments online at prepare STAR method answer stories for common interview questions. So that's the whole process. The key takeaway is this: agency matching plus a clean profile, targeted samples, at fast replies will raise your tier at ma-hire ka quicker kaysa sa traditional freelancing platforms. Apply now sa 24/7 VA and please don't forget to comment para magkaroon ka ng chance to win dun sa ating raffle kagaya ni Sir. Salamat po and have a nice day.